Weird configuration. Get the cab view now. This is the elevator at the Paramount Theater in Huntington. It is a Noble elevator. I filmed this in 2018. I think I got a floor passing cam. It has 2 now. Alright, I remember this had a pretty good motor. Plop. We'll do one more. Fastest hydro, right? 2,500 pounds. Elevator 2.
She was absent.
Going up?
Yes, sir. She likes it so. Oh, we were talking about travel before, so you know what I saw today? What came along down the line?
There you go.
It's
Very strange configure. You're not closing. Thank you very much. Lantern does work. Okay. Don't want to get people.
Downstairs at the bottom.
There it goes. And that's it.